Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the shake effect in the Alight Motion. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can install this Alight Motion first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And also you can start to activate the 7 days of free trial to get access to try out every single tools of this Alight Motion Complete. And after that, this will be the home page or introduction of this Alight Motion. And you can see the account over here. Even if I haven't done the login or sign up with my email, however, I have also activated the 7 days free trial. You keep still has or you keep still having the chance to try this Alight Motion, guys. And this will be the membership and benefits that you will get. And if you would like to try out the facilities and tools over here, you can start to click the plus over here, which is it's kind of the new project. And you can also give the name of your project, and also this is the ratio, resolution, and also the frame rate, and also the background. Which one do you prefer? You can select it and you can continue to click create project down here. And after that, it will bring you into this section. You can start to click plus on the bottom right corner, and you can put the object or videos or even the photo into this page like this. This is the shape, and also the media, which is the video and also the photo from your device, and maybe the audio. However, you need to give the access first, and this is the element or another object, and this is the template that has been provided by this Alight Motion. And for example, I will start off by selecting the object over here, or the shape. This is the snow, and after that I will start to lengthen this duration from this 2 seconds to become 4 seconds like this. And after that I will divide this duration. Each of part will be 2 seconds and 2 seconds. Like this is kind of the split if you remember it in the CapCut. And I will go first with this shape or this first layer. I will give the effect over here and add the effect, and I will choose the auto shake. And if you don't find it, don't worry, because you can find it out from this one, and only type shake like this. And you can also give it the star or bookmark. And for example, I will choose this one. And don't worry about the white stroke or white outline, which is this is the sign of the initial position of this node. Don't worry about it. And I will also adjust the angle. If you see the 0 degree over here, which is the movement, will be horizontal like this. And you can also do the adjustment, let's say, to become 180, which is actually same like this. And you can also do the adjustment with the frequency. Let's say I will add the frequency to become 2.3 hertz. and magnitude, for example, to become 71. Okay, the movement is not really wide. Okay, this is what we want. And after that, you can go back, and this will be the shape. Or you can also change the give the another movement. For example, this layer, I will also give the shake effect. However, the angle will be in the 90-degree, and I will apply to it. And for example, you can play it, and I will also adjust or add the magnitude, let's say to become 150, and you can play. And I will adjust, for example, the seed to become 0.15, and I will go back and see the result. So this is the movement effect that you can use in the Alight Motion. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this Alight Motion. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.